Welcome to qnawire.
Make cookies. 12 cups of flour and sugar to make cookies. The amount of flour is 4. Okay, so I see. Oops. So 12 cups of flour and sugar to make cookies. So flour plus sugar equals 12. The amount of flour is 4 more than 3 times the amount of sugar. How many cups of flour are in the recipe? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this in for F. Okay, so I'll end up solving for S first. So then I'm going to do 4 plus 3s plus s equals 12. So I have 4 plus 4s equals 12. 4s equals 8 and s equals 2. So sugar is 2 cups. 2 cups. And that means that flour is 10 cups. So 10 cups. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.